Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by waking the analytical engine and locking in minimal prerequisites. Do not stall on trivial checks. First, verify power and I/O, then load the baseline dataset so the engine has context. Choose your mode: diagnostic for checks, exploratory to reveal patterns, production tune for deployment, and set seed, sampling rate, and a memory cap. You do this because the engine optimizes different paths depending on mode. Once done, the system can start parsing inputs immediately and allocate resources correctly. Once the engine is live, you configure the processing pipeline so outputs are reliable. Map each input field to the schema and normalize scales. This prevents skew and ensures comparisons are valid. Then define a transformation chain, filters, aggregations, and feature creation, because the engine needs structured signals to detect patterns. After that, tune hyperparameters like learning rate, regularization, and convergence limits. These control speed and stability. Make sure to run a small validation pass so you can inspect interim results before full runs. You execute the full run and actively monitor logs and resource use. Sample outputs in real time to catch surprises. Validate results against a holdout set so you measure real performance, and record metrics plus confidence scores to show reliability. Once satisfied, export artifacts, tag versions, and schedule reevaluations on a cadence. If something goes wrong, check for silent data drift first and rerun the validation pass. Often correcting input schema mismatches fixes the issue quickly, then resume from the last good checkpoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.